Come back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your wallet address securely in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the application on your device. Now, log in using your credential. Go to your wallet dashboard where your account balance and wallet details are displayed. Or you can also go to a Receipt tab and select any one of the cryptocurrency and click on the address here to copy your receiving address. Now, after that, open the application or platform you want to use to share your wallet address. For example, messaging, application or email. Paste the wallet address. Avoid sharing your wallet address in public form or platform where it could be easily accessed by others. If you are sharing in person or through platform that supports QR code, you can share the QR code displayed in the Receive section. This provides a secure way for recipient to scan and obtain your wallet address without manually entering it. Before sending or sharing the address, double check that you are sharing the correct wallet address for a specific cryptocurrency to avoid any mistakes. By following these steps, you can securely share your wallet address from Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.